usomi, mimi ni elitist, siwezi kwenda kwa vijakani. Tutakutana kwa vijiji, tutakutana na mimi nikitafuta kura. I am going to literally every village in this country. Niliwacha kazi yangu World Bank kuja kutafuta kura, na nitafuta kura, na nitatafuta kura. I will look, ndakwenda kutafuta kura. Na watu tutakutana na nyinyi huko kwa vijiji, na tuongee huko na wananchi, and I honor and respect Kenyans enough to ask them for their votes, and I will go to their homes, their places, and everywhere. In some places I will do a door-to-door. When a government fails in the social sector are education and health. When a government fails spectacularly like this one has failed, honestly speaking, your claim to management of the country is hollow. I mean, what are you saying? And then, you know, every day you keep saying, oh, it's working. It's only you who knows it's working. the people who are the recipients of the services know they are not there and they are not working. It's shameful. We are debating about junior secondary school teachers. 20,000 of them, instead of confirming them. And now I'll go to the second part of taking another group of intern teachers. Sasa, ni kusema we don't have money to pay them, so we cannot confirm them. But we have money to hire 50 school buses to take people to the president's meeting in Ukambani. And then from there, we tell people to queue. We give them money, 1,000 shillings each. You know, haya ni mambo ambayo unaona wewe mwenyewe, as President Kibaki would ask, wewe mwenyewe unaona na unataka waambiwe. You can see what is happening.